Hey guys, welcome to the palace. Come on in. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be an apartment tour video. I'm going to show you guys our new apartment. We moved into a new apartment recently in DC. So if you guys want to see the apartment, just keep on watching. Okay, so this is our living room area. Honestly, this is where we spend most of our time in the day, especially after we come back from work. On the weekends, this is where we binge watch all our fun Netflix shows. We do have a little bit of decor going here. As you can tell, we have a lot of accents, different pieces going on here. I have this rose gold sculpture that I got. I think I got this from Etsy, and I have a whole bunch of them spread out in the house. The same applies to these plants. I have a whole bunch of little plants like this in the house. They just add color and vibrance to the apartment. Over there, I have a diffuser, which just adds zen to the house. I love how all those essential oils just bring the whole place together. Up here I have this wall art. So I got these frames from West Elm. The reason I really like them is how they have these floating posters in them. I got the posters from a different website. I will link it down below, but I just love how every poster just speaks a little bit of what Joey and I are all about. Clearly you can see New York here. This is Dumbo. We love New York, so New York had to go up there. And then this is a window in Paris, I believe. We love to travel, so that just speaks about our love for travel. And then these birds, I just put them there so they can balance the black and white. Over here we have this line art poster, which is bam, it's like a statement piece when you walk into the apartment. It's the first thing that you see. I think it just adds a lot of character to the apartment. Over here we have our throw blankets, so just put here. They're easier to access because the couch is just over there. So we have those here, and then we have a coffee table here that I got from Wayfair. A lot of the items in the apartment we got from Wayfair and a variety of different stores, but majority of the items that we got are from Wayfair. We decided to leave these costas here as a centerpiece because they remind us of Uganda. Clearly they're from Uganda. Joey got them last year when we visited, and they're made out of bark cloth, which is a huge traditional fabric in Uganda. It's very symbolic of the Buganda tribe, so that speaks of Uganda. Right here, this is where we have the couch where we love to lounge. And I think we broke this couch. Joey broke the couch and we couldn't fix it. This is the only item in the apartment that came with the apartment. Everything else we purchased. So, hey, I guess you get what you get. With the couch, we have pillows, pillow throws on the couch, and then we also have another throw here. I washed this thing and it just went from good to trash. And then here we have a plant. You're going to notice that we have a lot of plants in the apartment. They add a lot of color. They help with filtering the air, increasing the oxygen flow, so why not have them? And I decided to put all the plants in baskets like this because they just add so much character, and they're nice accents to have in the house. They remind me of African culture, so you know I was gonna get that. So over here we have this lamp that I got from Target. We rarely use this lamp because we have a lot of ambient lighting going on in the apartment, so we just put this on sometimes just to use it. In this area I have this console table that has kind of so much going on. I have ceramic pots here, and then I also have this star sculpture and this lamp that I got from Target, and I like that you just do that and it turns on. Over here, I asked Joey to add his toolkit because it just adds color and contrast to the entire setup here. And then I also have decorative books that you see down there. Let's talk about this plant. Oh my gosh, this is one of my favorite plants in the apartment. It's just different, and I like that it has different shades of green, which adds more color to the apartment. I also love the pot. So I put this striped navy runner, well, navy and white runner, close to the console table because it just, the colors just merge well together. So this is the bathroom, and one thing that stands out in the bathroom that I really like is this shelf ladder that Joey built. So I got one from Amazon. I'm going to show you that later in a few seconds. I got it from Amazon and it did not fit right here, so we had to build one because I really wanted a shelf ladder in the bathroom. We have all our toiletries here, all our items that we use for the bathroom here. I like this stone tile feature going on. It gives the entire bathroom a modern feel, and it also contrasts well with the white in the bathroom. So over here is my YouTube corner. This is where I film. This is where I do all my content creating stuff. I love this area. I love this plant. Oh my gosh, can we talk about it? It's Plant Lady Goals. This chair is one of my favorite statement pieces in the apartment because it's clearly so vibrant. I think it's the brightest and loudest item that we have in the apartment. I like to sit in this chair when I'm editing as well. It's just so comfortable and it's so cozy. And also this area feels like my little office, so I love it. As you guys can tell, next to my YouTube area, I walk right into the kitchen. Now, the biggest thing that stands out in the kitchen are these pots that you see hanging up. Now, a backstory about these pots. We do not have a lot of storage space in the kitchen. Like, we only have a few cabinets. So Joey and I started to get creative, and he suggested that he builds or hangs the pots up here. And I think, I don't know, they just add more character in the kitchen, and they just, you know, just makes it more homely looking and feeling. So we have those up there. Over here we have basil. So we like to grow herbs in the kitchen because it's just easy to access. You don't have to always run to the grocery store when you need to use a specific herb. We want to also add thyme, oregano, and a couple more herbs that we use all the time. But for now, basil is the only herb we have up there because we use it a lot. I love this little pot right here. You guys know I love my colors, so it was just right for me to get a vibrant pot to just add more color to the kitchen. And then I have my entire layout here. I keep saying I because I spend more time in the kitchen. Joey just does the eating, I do the cooking. It works out for us. But I have this layout here. This is my favorite, one of my favorite pieces in the kitchen. I love that I have my mortar and pestle right here next to my olive oil, my salt and pepper. And then I have this tray where they sit on. Beautiful accents. They add a modern touch to the kitchen. I also love that I have all my napkins here. Well, some of my napkins that I use in the kitchen. I just have them out because it's easy to access them when I'm cooking. I have all my spoons and all my kitchen accessories that I use all the time here. If you notice, I have these bowls out here. I'm sure someone is wondering, why don't you have them in the cabinets? I just love how they just bring all the colors here together. I mean, you can tell that there's a gray theme going on, and also the fact that they're sitting on these straw mats. It's just a good accent for the kitchen. Now this is my spice area. I love my spices. I love cooking. And then over there at the top, I have more spices and more sauces and oils and all the good stuff for the kitchen. Right here, I have my mini pantry. Now remember how I told you I was going to tell you the backstory to the shelf ladder in the bathroom? This is a ladder that I got from Amazon and was supposed to go in the bathroom, but it just wasn't the right size. So Joey suggested that we put this right here and put all our pantry items here. And then at the bottom we also have our mini bar because we don't have enough storage like I told you guys, so we just have everything out here. So this is our dining table, and as you can tell, we have it right in the kitchen because we didn't have any more room for it to go, so we just put it here in the kitchen. I got this table from Wayfair, and it also has a bench, but the bench did not come with a table. Actually, the bench was separate. I just thought that it matched the table, so I just decided to get it because it complements it. I like that it gives you that communal feel when you have guests over. They can sit on the bench with you. And then I also added this white chairs on either side of the table. And then we always have fruits in the fruit basket. I mean, as we should, just for display and also to add color. Again, I have more ceramic pots, as you can see. We also have more coasters here on the table. These as well are from Uganda. We got them last year when we traveled. We added a runner rag in the kitchen, as you guys can see. I really love how it has different patterns going. You know, it definitely adds a lot to the kitchen. It makes all the colors just come together. Over here you can see that the living room and the kitchen are just in one big space, but we try to make everything work. As you can see, this is the bedroom. This is where all the magic happens. And I did a closet tour, and I feel like my closet tour video felt like a bedroom tour video, so you guys, I'm gonna link it down so you guys can check that out. But this is the bedroom. Here is the bed. There's a lot of gray going on in the bedroom, as you guys can tell, so I tried to add color by having my closet here on display so it can kind of balance out the gray tones in the room. I really do not like that it's just too gray. So this statement chair that we got, it was purchased prior to us moving in, so clearly you can see that it's gray. I do not mean for it to be gray, because if I knew that the apartment was gray, I wouldn't have got this color. But it's comfy, and it also adds more character to the entire room, so we got it. And then also we have this blue bench here. I feel like the blue bench clashes a little bit with the room because of the tan legs, but it is what it is. We can sit on it and it does the job, so there you go. Here we have this ladder. My sister always makes fun of this ladder because she's like, why do you have it? Are you going to climb it? She's foolish like that. But I like that it adds, it's a nice accent to add to the room. You can use it to hang stuff, like I'm hanging this Turkish blanket here. And then there's another plant. Bam, more plants. We love this plant in the bedroom, and it grows every day. I mean, as you can tell, it's just flourishing all the time. And we have a hamper here that we just leave in the bedroom. This is my favorite item in the entire bedroom. I think every room in the apartment I have a favorite item. This cabinet is my favorite. I love how it gives you the illusion of open space here, which is amazing. And I love this mirror. I got this mirror from Wayfair, just like almost everything I got. Guys, that's it for the video. I hope you enjoyed it. Do not forget to leave a comment down below or comments down below. Give this video a thumbs up. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.